what's up? Welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another exciting video. If you guys are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, then hello, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also guys, don't forget to press the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I'll upload new video. You can even follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. It really motivates me and my channel to bring more content for you all. Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my AJIO or AJIO haul, like however you pronounce it. Now obviously guys, summer are here and summer is mainly meant for wearing all of those easy breezy and flowy clothes like shorts, skirt, dresses and all of those things. So recently I have picked up couple of dresses from AJIO, so I thought of like to share with you all. And also guys, I really love wearing dresses. I think I have mentioned in some of my previous video that I am a dress hoarder. Like I can choose wearing dress over anything or over any clothing, because I personally feel like they are one piece of clothing you just have to throw on your body and you are all done, and you really don't have to involve any other piece of clothing while you're wearing a dress. This is what basically I feel like, and I feel super duper comfortable whenever I am in my dress. And you guys will find me wearing dresses in any season, like either it's a monsoon, winter or it's a summer, like no one's business, because I love wearing dresses. So that is the reason I have decided to share with you all my recent AJIO shopping haul. Also guys, before starting off this haul, I would like to discuss a little bit about my size and what kind of dresses I prefer. Basically guys, I'm a chubby body type person, so I prefer my dresses to be more on a M or L size, and I always pick one size above. Basically my size are M and it really fluctuates between M or L. It is totally depend upon the how dress is made. And guys, I prefer wearing dress which have more of a skater and flared pattern, and this is my choice whenever I'm picking up any dress. So if you guys are interested to know like what I have shopped, then you should keep on watching. Also guys, product name, link and everything you will find in the bottom bar, so do check it out. Now let's get started. So guys, here is the bag which is full of clothing item, like full of dress. So let's dig in and see what I have. So guys, the first dress I have with me, which is this one, and this is one of my favorite dress because of its print, how it is made, the pattern, the color, everything of this dress is so damn amazing. Have this sleeveless kind of sleeve and it have ruffle detailing all over on the shoulder. Then guys, it have a ruffle detailing on bottom as well, which you can see. And guys, this dress is so appropriate for summer because of its print and how it is made. Also guys, this dress is so cool as well. If you're going on any vacation, you guys can definitely pick this dress up. So guys, coming back to its detailing, so it have this closed neck going on and the button up detailing goes till your waistline. Then guys, you have this elasticated waistline which gonna cinch it around your waistline and it gonna enhance your figure. And also guys, they have given this kind of belt as well, which you can just tie around your waistline and you are all done. So this is what the dress look like. I'll just give you the up close look of this dress. So this is how this dress look like, and guys, this is one of my favorite piece. मैंने इसको अभी तक पहना नहीं है, but soon I'm gonna wear it. So basically guys, this product retails for 799 rupees, but I got it for around 600 rupees or somewhere around that, and I'm totally happy with whatever I have paid because of the material. The material is so soft and it is made up of pure cotton, which is going to be so comfortable in the summer season. So do check this dress out. And guys, I'm in the size L, and guys, as I mentioned, I prefer my dress to be more on a loose side. So yeah guys, you can check this item out. This is such an amazing piece from my whole dress collection, honestly. Okay guys, so the next dress I have with me, which is again such a unique color and unique pattern, all I can say. So this is that dress is, so this is basically in a peach color and it have all of these daisy print going on all over this dress. Dress have this kind of 3/4 sleeve, which is so comfortable in summertime because there are chances of you getting tan really easily in summer. And guys, that is the reason I prefer my dress to be have fuller or 3/4 sleeve basically. So guys, coming back to its detailing, so it again have a closed neck going on, and then guys, this dress have this button up detailing on the back side, and guys, then they have given a no show zip which goes till your butt crack. And yeah guys, so this is how this dress is. I really love the color, the print and everything, and this is such a pretty color honestly. And the material is again really soft and it is made up of cotton. Guys, then they have given this kind of belt detailing which you have to tie around your waist again, and it will enhance your figure more. Also, you can just replace this belt with any other belt which you have, and this is how this dress is. So basically guys, it retails for 900 rupees, and again I'm in the size L. And guys, I have paid 578 rupees for this dress, and I feel like it is totally worth it according to how this dress is made. Okay guys, so the next clothing item I have with me, which is this one which I'm wearing, and oh my god you guys, I really love the color, print and everything which is going on. So this is basically a shirt dress and it have a button detailing going on all over the bottom. Then again guys, it have this kind of belt detailing again which you can tie around your waist, and guys, again it have this kind of full sleeve, which is the thing I really like about this dress. So basically guys, this dress was again for 899 rupees and I have paid 578 rupees. This is from the brand called Rio. Even both of the previous dresses are also from the brand called Rio, and they are their in-house brand. So I really like this dress, and the main reason I have picked this dress up because of its color and pattern, because this is such a unique pattern. It have all of these honeybee and honeycomb with some floral detailing going on. Also this was available in one more color which was in black color, and I found that very common because it has a deer print all over it, तो मुझे वो बहुत common लगा, so that is the reason मैंने उसको pick नहीं किया. But instead I went for this one, and I'm totally happy with my purchase because I really like this dress. By the way guys, मैंने ये dress को ये video के purpose से ही पहना है because I'm not gonna go anywhere. It's pandemic guys, so you guys can definitely check this dress out as well. Hey guys, so the next dress I have with me, which is again my ultimate favorite, all I can say, because it is in black color and I love wearing black color. Like it's really complement my skin tone. I think black color सबकी skin tone पे complement करता है, so let's keep that thing aside. So coming back to this dress, so guys this is how this dress look like, and it is from the brand called Fig, and this retails for 999 rupees. And guys I have paid 750 rupees for this dress, but I totally don't mind paying whatever the money is because this dress is so pretty and so cute at the same time. So basically guys, the print is like this, so it have all of this red and green flower print going on all over this dress. And guys इसके full sleeve है like this, which I have already mentioned that I love wearing full sleeve dress. Then guys it have this kind of ruffle detailing going on all over the neckline. Then it have this kind of string detailing जो आप यहाँ पे tie करके इसका neck को close कर सकते हो. And guys the fabric of this dress is chiffon. The overall dress material is chiffon, and the inside lining they have given is in a polyester material, which is going to be a bit uncomfortable for a daytime in summer. But in my case I'm totally okay with anything and everything because again I love wearing dresses. So ये इतना बड़ा मेरे लिए मसला नहीं होगा, but I think some people might find this uncomfortable. So you guys can definitely wear this in a evening time because this is such a pretty dress, I can say. And guys I am in the size M in this dress, and still it is loose for me. I wish I would have gone for S size. And guys AJIO have a policy that you can return or exchange your product up to 1 month. तो मैंने इसका size check किया, the S was always sold out. Actually सारे sizes इस dress में sold out है, so ऐसे ही मेरा 1 month निकल गया. So I was like I'll just get it altered from my tailor. So yeah guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, then you know what you have to do. Just hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Do let me know in my comment section which was your favorite product throughout the haul. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care and see you soon.